If you're experiencing a transfer pending issue on Chime, follow these steps to resolve it. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check transfer status. Look into your Chime account and navigate to the transaction history. Look for the pending transfer to see if there are any details or notifications regarding the delay. Step 2. Verify account information. Ensure that the account information linked to your Chime account is correct. Double-check the routing and account numbers for any errors that could cause the transfer to be delayed. Step 3. Confirm transfer limits. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Contact Chime support. If the transfer remains pending after checking the above steps, reach out to Chime customer support. Provide them with details about the transaction and any error messages you may have received. Step 5. Wait for processing. Sometimes transfers may take longer due to bank processing times. If everything appears correct and support has confirmed there are no issues, wait for a few hours or up to a business day for the transfer to complete. In conclusion, resolving a transfer pending issue on Chime involves checking the transfer status, verifying account information, confirming limits, contacting support if needed, and being patient during processing times. Following these steps should help you fix the problem effectively.